Hey guys, so I'm back with another new product unboxing. Today we were going to talk about nuclear pump from Peak Performance Labs. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that a few days ago I came home, posted the box that came. Wasn't quite sure what it was because I do have other things coming. Opened it up and let you ask me Q&A about products and whatever, and some of you kind of guessed what it was because I have been talking about this on Instagram for a good while because I have been waiting for this to come all the way from Canada. That's where Peak Performance Labs are based, obviously the Canadian brand. So this is the first ever product they've ever released. So it's a nuclear pump. Unlike every other brand that does make a new product or first product, it's a steam product and usually quite steam heavy. This is actually totally opposite. It's a pump pre-workout, as the name suggests. So there's no steams whatsoever. On top of that, they've also sent me 2 samples of lemonade flavor of Nuclear Gains, which is the second product. So I'm looking forward to trying that out alongside a nuclear pump. So I mean, this is a big tub. It's 575 grams. I've got green apple flavor. And what I love about this as well is there's only 25 servings, but they're fully dosed, as you can see right there. So there's no problem whatsoever. So what you see is what you get. And you've got some serious ingredients in here, like Alpha-Size, Nitrocin, Vaso-6, Glycopump as well. So first off, we start with 8 grams of pure L-citrulline to produce nitric oxide. Creatine monohydrate needs no introduction whatsoever. It's the most studied probably supplement ingredient of the last possibly 100 years, and everything else you've got in there as well. You've got Glycopump to make you more swole and suck in the water, make you more vascular as well. You've got L-tyrosine at a whopping 3 grams as well to give you a serious focus. So no stims whatsoever, but it's a non-stim pre-workout, so you get the clear focus and, as the name suggests, the pump. You've got Alpha-Size as well, Vaso-6, as I mentioned, L-norvaline at 250 milligrams, and Himalayan pink salt or at sodium 125 milligrams. So it is a really good dose for this, and I've been so excited to use this for ages. And I've been talking about this on Instagram, probably more about this than anything else that I'm currently using or will be using. And also I did the poll for you guys, so basically you choose what I get to use for my next workout, whether it be a stim and pump. So what combination? I've got 2 different products, and this basically won by 67% as opposed to the other pump pre-workout that I have. So this been unboxing. I've been waiting to make this video so I can actually open this. Right, okay, it's got this little thing there, so it's a genuine unboxing. So I've got green apple. They also have pineapple, but I'm really excited to try green apple. I just love green apple. Who doesn't love Granny Smith, you know what I mean? Well, that's what I'm hoping it will be like. Again, this is a massive tub. And as I open it, kind of full, to be honest. I mean, there's a bit of room, but nothing quite actually respectable. Usually when you see a big tub, it's like down there, so that's pretty cool. The scoop, I can't see, but let's just give it a quick little sniff. Oh, I am getting a little scent of Granny Smith. Actually, I'm not even going to lie. And oh, it smells lovely, lush. So that's basically it, really. The unboxing of Nuclear Pump, and I've been waiting to use this to open this for ages. And like I said, I will be using this on my next workout. Hopefully they'll be for tomorrow's, if I'm lucky. And that means you guys get to see me make another video. Will be on YouTube and Instagram, so make sure to follow me over at Supplements on YouTube, Instagram, and I'll be trying that. So it smells really nice. I really hope it tastes exactly what I think it does, because I love green apple, I really do. I mean, again, I had the choice to pick the flavor, and you know, I've gone for green apple. So I'm looking forward to that. And as well, I will be hopefully stacking the Nuclear Gains intro workout from the guys as well. and there's just, again, no problem whatsoever. It's just, if you know what you're looking at, this is great. You've got all your electrolytes, your BCAAs, and as well your essential amino acids. So really looking forward to using that as well. So that's it really, guys. A quick unboxing, quite thorough as well. Well, I think it is. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Make sure to follow me on socials at Unlimited Supplements, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.